What's up? I'm your Elixir mentor, Jacob Blitzo. I have some exciting news. If you've ever been interested in building web applications using Elixir and Phoenix LiveView, I'm stoked to announce a brand new tutorial series, Building a GitHub Gist Clone with Phoenix LiveView. This series is perfect for those eager to get their hands on real-world Elixir coding and to learn how to harness the real-time capabilities of Phoenix LiveView. We'll begin by setting up our Phoenix LiveView application all the way to enhancing user experience with JavaScript event listeners. In detail, we'll explore Elixir, Phoenix, LiveView, and many other essential web development topics. We will create an application from scratch, explore user authentication, form validation, database operations, and more. We'll even look at some front-end techniques using Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. So whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer looking to expand your knowledge, this series has something for everyone. You'll not only learn, but you'll also be able to apply these skills to your future projects. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, and let's start this exciting journey together. I'm Jacob Blitzo, your Elixir mentor. See you in the first tutorial.